Okay, so now let's find the inverse of this equation or of this graph. So we're just gonna equate this one, or let y equates to gx. So, and then now what we do, we say y equates to ln of x over 1 minus x. And then now what happened is that we just solve this one. We make the x the subject. In other case, we can just so now how do we do that? How do we remove this ln? We just raise this whole thing to the power of e. So it will be e to the power of y equates to e to the power of ln x over 1 minus x. So what happened is that this is base e, so anything to the same base like logarithm with the same base, they just cancel out, so the whole thing goes down, and now you have e to the power of y equates to x over 1 minus x. So what you do in this scenario, you just cross multiple. Simple. So you have x equates to e to the power of y, open bracket 1 minus x. So now you can just distribute this one in. So you have e to the power of y minus e to the power of y x. You still have x this side. So just take this one to this side just to take x as a common factor. So you have x plus e to the power of y x equates to e to the power of y. Okay, now just take x here, and then you have x 1 minus e to the power of, or plus, sorry, e to the power of y, close bracket, equates to e to the power of y. So now you're done with that, and then you just divide this thing to make x the subject. So you have x equates to e to the power of y divided by 1 plus e to the power of y. So what you do in this scenario, now you swipe your x and y. Some people swipe it here. Some people swipe it there. Where is it? I'll just find it. Some people swipe it there. So I usually swipe it here. So I just swipe it here. So therefore, this implies that your y is equates to e to the power of x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x. Then you're done. So this is your inverse function of that function.